Why did I not straighten my hair? I really should have straightened my hair. Hello and welcome to my channel. Oh god, oh dear me. Hello and welcome to today's video. Welcome back, and if you're new and this is your first time seeing me, welcome for the first time. It is lovely to have you here. So for this week's video, I wasn't really sure what to do because it's common knowledge now for probably everyone all over the world that England is in another lockdown. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this will be the last lockdown and we can get back to normal quite soon. But I didn't really know what to do. I didn't really feel up to like putting a full face makeup on and then like acting happy and jolly to the camera. And I also didn't have anything to vlog, so I couldn't do a vlog because I'm literally doing absolutely nothing with my day. For ages before lockdown, I'd wanted to get my eyebrows laminated, so I decided to buy this. I bought a do it at home kit basically for eyebrow lamination and an eyelash lift. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the eyelash lift simply because I don't want my eyelashes to fall out, but I am going to do the eyebrow lamination because I feel like now is the time to experiment. We're in a lockdown. I got this for £18.99 on Amazon. Inside you have these things. I don't have a clue what anything is because I've never had this done before. I've never done anything to my eyebrows. I don't really know what's gonna happen with this. So we've got all the perms and cleansers and stuff there, some cleaning tools and lift pads. I haven't got a clue what you do with any of them. I'll read the instructions and hope for the best. Some spoolies, some not sure what they are. If you're watching this for tips on how to do it, honestly, not watching the right video. It's a little bit of fun. I'm gonna grab a spoolie and just brush through my brows. Also, I wish I put some face tan on or like a little bit of foundation or something because oh my god, I am the same colour as that chest of drawers behind me and that's not a good look. Although my skin is the best it's been in quite a while, so I'm just going to embrace that. Do you reckon I can use the viewfinder? No, I need a mirror. The point of me putting my hair up is to get it out of my face, and I've still put these bits down the front, but hey ho. I don't know if you can hear my mum on the phone in the background. I really hope that you can't. If you can, apologies. Step 1, using the cleaner for to remove. That's just not English. That is incorrect use of the English language. It says, using the cleanser for to remove oil, dust and makeup residue. Oh, okay, the numbered, that's all okay. They're also tiny, like look how small that is. It doesn't tell me what I'm meant to use to put it on, so I'm assuming it's one of these. I honestly don't really know what the hell I'm doing. At least while I'm doing these, we can have a little chat. So how is everyone? Comment down below what you're actually doing in lockdown to keep sane this time, because I feel like the first lockdown was all about like becoming our best selves. Then the second lockdown was kind of like, I'm kind of accepting it now. This third lockdown is like, oh my god, it's never going to end. So yeah, comment down below how you're finding this lockdown and how you're managing to like get through it, because I need some tips. Step 2, apply glue 5 onto the brows. Okay, when it mentions glue, I'm a bit scared. Why am I putting glue on my eyebrows? Okay, this one's got an actual little stick, so that makes life easier. I know how to actually apply this one. It also says, if the solution gets into your eyes, oh god, nearly dropped the mirror. 7 years bad luck. We don't need any more bad luck in this lifetime. If the solution gets into your eyes or causes irritation, seek medical attention. I mean, I have embarrassed myself on this channel a few times, but sticking cling film over my forehead is gotta be one of the lows. Oh my god, there's a massive string. Can you see that? Oh, the glue's so stringy. I think I've put enough on. Right, the next step confused me a little bit because it says brush brows with Y brush, then cover in cling film for 10 minutes. I assume it's these because these are in a Y shape, but like, what? I really don't understand, to be honest. I'm gonna do that anyway. I'm gonna use a spoolie as well because I feel like that's easier to brush them up with. I don't know if you meant to, but I need to set a timer for 10 minutes and I'm just gonna listen to music for the next 10 minutes, I think.
They sing for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. Trying to find a part of me that you didn't touch. Eyes whispered, have we met? Cross the moon, your silhouette starts to make its way to me.
Say it in the street, that's a knockout. But you say it in a tweet, that's a cop-out. And I'm just like, hey, are you okay? I don't wanna keep secrets just to keep you and I. Are you ready? Foot off. Let's stop dancing. My pain fits in the palm of your freezing hand. I forgot that you existed, and I thought that it would kill me, but it didn't. Anyway, that was the 10 minutes up. I don't think anything has happened with my eyebrows. Apply perm lotion 1 on brows, covering the cling film on the brows for 10 minutes again. Why have I got to put cling film on my face 3 times. The girl in the video only did it twice. I don't know if it's just my eyebrows because I've tried the whole soap brows thing. They do not stick up. I've tried so many brow gels. They do not stick. Okay, that's more fitted to my face. And nothing works. So I was hoping eyebrow lamination would fix that issue for me. What am I doing next? I need to clean one of them pink stick things. I don't know what they're actually called. That's not a nice smell. Maybe this is just one of them trust the process things. This eyebrow feels literally like rock solid and the other one didn't. I don't really know. Ow! Maybe put a bit too much glue on this eyebrow. It's looking a bit funky at the minute, isn't it? Got pins and needles again. I'm going to leave that on for another 10 minutes and have another dance to Taylor Swift.
Never had a shotgun shot in the dark. You were driving the getaway car.
Don't pretend it's such a mystery. Think about the place where you first met me riding. This song.
I never trust a narcissist, but they love me. Make it look oh so easy. And don't regret it one bit, cause he had it coming. They say I did something bad. It wasn't feel so good. Wasn't feel so good.
Oh, I love this song.
We could leave the Christmas lights until January.
You're my. This eyebrow's starting to burn, and also this song. Ready down a dead end street. This chorus. But loving him was red. I cannot wait for the re-record of this album. If you're a Swiftie, you'll just know. Maybe we got lost in translation. Maybe I asked for too much, but maybe this thing was a masterpiece, so you tore it all up. I'm a crumpled up piece of paper lying here. I was enjoying that. Okay, maybe it's a good thing because this eyebrow is starting to burn a little bit. Trust the process. Do you know when you have like a mint or a chewy and then you take a sip of water and it's like the lovely cold feeling at the back of your throat? That is what it felt like taking that cling film off my face then. Fixation lotion 2. Probably should have done a patch test beforehand, but I was too impatient. And back on with the cling film. Time for some more Taylor. Or should we listen to someone else? Should we listen to some... Let's listen to some old Demi Lovato. So I can see how badly this will hurt me when you say goodbye. You're so hypnotizing. You've got me laughing while I sing, fighting over what I said. I'm sorry. I need someone on days like this. I do.
Never put my life out of my line, but when it comes to you, I'm never good enough.
Okay, so now I need to take this off and go in with the cleanser from the start again. And also my camera's on 1 bar, so I'm just going to go in with the last step, which is putting the nutrition oils on them as well so they don't flake and fall off. Okay, so I've put my glasses on now because I was starting to get a headache, so just ignore the fact you can see the ring light. It's really annoying. I am fully well aware. I am done. They're a little bit tender, but I actually really like them. They look alright now, I think. People might not think the same, they might be judging me for them, but I think they give me a little facelift. I will update in like next week's vlog how they like last and stuff. I also can't get them wet for 24 hours, so I'm gonna have to be careful in the shower. I think they're gonna take a little bit of getting used to because they are a bit different, but I do like them. I'm not gonna try the lash thing, the skin underneath my eyebrows is stinging, so I don't even want to go near my eyes with that. It'll just be a disaster. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you got this far, you're an absolute gem. It means so much to me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more from me, and if you do want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe. Also, thank you so much for 400 subscribers. We finally hit 400, so I'm very, very happy. And yeah, giveaway at 500, which I'll be talking about on my Instagram mostly, so if you want to be updated about that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll pop that on the screen. Yeah, I hope you're all keeping safe and well in lockdown. The way I'm thinking about it is every single day we get through in lockdown, it's a day closer to normality, so we got this. We just need to hang on in there for a little longer, and my DMs are always open if you need anyone to chat to or a non-biased opinion, just someone who will listen. I'm always here. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so, so much, and I shall see you in my next video, hopefully. Goodbye.